Hi everyone, we're going to make some masala tea today, traditional Indian tea. There's different ways of making it, but this is the way I make it. This is our loose tea which has come straight from India. We're going to make enough cups for 4 people. So for 4 people, I'll use 2 of these spoons. This is a ready-made masala which was freshly made. People make it according to their taste. This one consists of cardamom, cloves, ginger, pepper, cinnamon and a bit of nutmeg. For 4 cups, what I'd normally use is a spoon like that per cup. So just do 1 cup. For extra taste, I like to add some fresh ginger in there as well. So let's cut a bit of fresh ginger and put it in there as well. We're going to use not full cups, but we'll just measure on average about 4 cups of hot water. You could put cold water as well. I just save a bit of time by boiling the water pre-hand. You can add extra whatever you want for taste. I normally like a few extra cardamoms in my tea, so I add a bit of extra cardamom and a little bit of extra nutmeg. So you leave it boiling for a little while. The longer you let the tea boil, the stronger it'll get. I don't like it too pungent in taste, so I don't let it boil for too long. We'll use 2 cups of milk for 4 cups of water. Again, this is down to preference as well. So once you've added the milk, if you could just leave it for about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes, let it come to a boil. It's almost coming to a boil now. It's been just about 2 minutes, I think. So as soon as it comes onto a boil, if you have gas, I'd slow it down to a low flame. And then I'd let it boil slowly for another 15 minutes maximum. Let's just say 13 minutes. We're down to the last minute now. As you can see, a nice colour has started appearing on the top. Once that layer starts coming on, I'm normally happy with that. And it's almost good to serve. Okay. So I'll take that off the stove now, switch that off and sieve it through. There we are. Indian chai.